Rent Reporters Review 2025 Worth It or Leave It? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Rent Reporters in 2025 is catching the attention of renters and credit builders alike. The surprising truth is that your rent payments can now play a crucial role in building your credit history, but only if you report them the right way. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Rent Reporters in 2025, how it works, its benefits, potential drawbacks, costs, and whether it's truly worth it for you. First, let's start with the basics. Rent Reporters is a service designed to help renters turn their monthly rent payments into positive credit history. Traditionally, rent payments haven't impacted your credit score unless there's a missed payment that lands in collections. That means millions of responsible renters have been missing out on the opportunity to strengthen their credit. Rent Reporters bridges that gap by reporting on-time rent payments directly to major credit bureaus, giving renters a chance to build or improve their credit scores. In 2025, Rent Reporters has updated its system to be more user-friendly, streamlined, and compatible with a variety of landlords, property management systems, and online rent platforms. Whether you pay through a third-party app, a traditional check, or direct bank transfer, Rent Reporters now makes it easier than ever to ensure your payments are reported accurately. Here's how it works, step by step. 1. Sign up and create your account. The first step is to visit the Rent Reporters website or download their app. You'll need to provide basic information such as your name, email, phone number, and rental property details. The process typically takes just a few minutes. 2. Verify your lease and landlord. Rent Reporters requires confirmation of your lease and landlord or property management information. This verification step ensures that the payments you report are legitimate. In some cases, your landlord can participate directly, making automatic reporting possible. If your landlord doesn't report payments themselves, Rent Reporters can still help, but you may need to provide proof of payment, such as bank statements or payment receipts. 3. Link your payment method. In 2025, Rent Reporters supports various payment tracking methods. You can link your bank account, credit card, or third-party payment service. Some renters pay their rent online through apps like Zelle, Venmo, or property-specific portals, and Rent Reporters now integrates with these platforms to automatically verify and track payments. 4. Reporting to credit bureaus. Once your payments are verified, Rent Reporters reports them to major credit bureaus such as Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Each reported payment can positively impact your credit history by demonstrating consistent, responsible financial behavior. Keep in mind, the impact on your credit score may vary depending on your overall credit profile, existing accounts, and other factors. 5. Track your progress. Rent Reporters provides a dashboard where you can monitor your reported payments, see updates to your credit report, and track your overall credit progress. This transparency helps you ensure your rent is contributing to your credit building goals. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using Rent Reporters in 2025. Build or improve credit. For renters with thin or limited credit histories, reporting rent can add months or even years of positive payment behavior to your credit report. Over time, this can increase your credit score, potentially qualifying you for better loans, credit cards, or rental applications. Demonstrate financial responsibility. A history of on-time rent payments is a strong indicator of financial reliability. Lenders and landlords often view this favorably, even if you don't have extensive credit card or loan histories. Flexible reporting options. Rent Reporters now supports multiple payment verification methods, making it accessible to a wide range of renters, including those using alternative banking methods. Peace of mind. You no longer have to worry that your consistent rent payments are invisible to the financial system. By reporting, you're taking an active step in building your financial profile. However, like any service, Rent Reporters also has drawbacks and limitations. Cost. Rent Reporters charges fees for reporting. In 2025, pricing ranges from a monthly subscription model to one-time annual fees, depending on how many months you want to report and whether you choose single or multi-bureau reporting. For some renters, this cost may outweigh the benefits if your credit history is already strong or if you only have a few months left on your lease. Asterisk impact can vary asterisk. Not all credit scores react the same way to rent reporting. For someone with many existing accounts or a long credit history, the effect may be minimal. On the other hand, for someone new to credit, the impact can be significant. Asterisk requires proof of payment asterisk. If your landlord isn't participating, you may need to provide documentation for each payment, which can be time-consuming. Automated reporting simplifies this, but manual reporting still requires effort. Asterisk doesn't replace other credit building tools asterisk. While reporting rent helps, it shouldn't replace responsible use of other credit building methods like secured credit cards, installment loans, or paying other bills on time. Let's look at some asterisk real-world examples asterisk. Imagine Sarah, a 25-year-old renter with a thin credit history. Before using Rent Reporters, she had a credit score of 600. After consistently reporting her 12 months of on-time rent payments, her score increased to 650, allowing her to qualify for a low-interest credit card and eventually a car loan with better rates. On the other hand, John, a 35-year-old with multiple credit accounts but a history of late payments, saw a smaller impact. While reporting rent added positive data, it didn't immediately offset his prior delinquencies. However, over time, it helped demonstrate consistent responsibility, improving his overall credit profile. When considering asterisk whether Rent Reporters is worth it asterisk, evaluate your personal financial situation. Are you new to credit or trying to rebuild? If yes, this service can be highly beneficial. Do you already have strong credit and a long history of on-time payments? The impact may be less dramatic. Can you afford the reporting fees? Compare the cost to potential benefits, such as qualifying for lower interest rates or higher credit limits. Is your landlord cooperative or does Rent Reporters support your payment method? Ease of use can make a big difference in long-term adoption. Another important 2025 update is the asterisk improved mobile experience asterisk. Rent Reporters mobile app allows for real-time payment verification, push notifications for reported months, and easy tracking of multi-bureau reporting. This makes it much easier for tech-savvy renters who rely on smartphones for their financial management. Some renters also use Rent Reporters to asterisk split payments across accounts asterisk. For example, if part of your rent is paid by a roommate, you can designate which portion counts toward your credit reporting. This ensures accuracy and fairness, especially for shared housing situations. Security and privacy are also essential. Rent Reporters uses encryption and secure verification methods to protect your financial data. Unlike some informal reporting methods or DIY approaches, using a verified service reduces the risk of errors or data breaches. In conclusion, Rent Reporters in 2025 is a powerful tool for renters who want to leverage their monthly payments to build or improve credit. It's especially valuable for younger renters, first-time credit users, or those rebuilding after financial setbacks. The service is simple to use, integrates with multiple payment methods, and provides transparency and security. However, it comes at a cost and isn't a magic solution. To maximize benefits, pair Rent Reporters with other credit building strategies, monitor your credit report, and ensure consistent on-time payments. By taking these steps, you can turn your rent, often the largest recurring expense, into a stepping stone for a stronger financial future. So, is Rent Reporters worth it in 2025? For many renters, the answer is yes, particularly if you're looking to build credit efficiently and safely. Like any financial tool, success depends on proper use, consistency, and integrating it into a broader strategy for financial health. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or questions about Rent Reporters. Your rent payments can work harder for you than you ever imagined.